Hi there, Roderick from Toy Masters Video Magazine. I'm here at Comic-Con in New York City at the Jacob Javits Convention Center. I'm here with John from Otrera Games. Otrera Games. John is here at the show to talk about his new software that they're developing for games. So with that, here's John. John's going to tell us about it and also about his Kickstarter program.
Sure. Yeah, thank you. My name is John. I'm a software developer based on Long Island, and we're here at Comic-Con promoting Otrera. Otrera, right here, see? You can go to Otrera.com to learn more. What it is a software program that allows anyone to take an idea and turn it into a game. The main goal of our software is to help amateur game designers and developers turn their ideas into something that they can sell and make money from. So the first version of our software was originally just for tabletop games. Pen and paper RPGs, I have some here. Things like Pathfinder and Shadowrun. There are a lot of people that want to make original games from scratch, but they don't know how to properly assemble and balance all of their content. I went through the same thing, right? You make a game, you have all of these different spells and classes and weapons and things, and you don't know if your game is broken. And unless you're a big company, you probably can't get a lot of playtesting done. What our software does is it will analyze and balance everything for you. So it makes it easy to turn an idea into something you can publish or sell. Now, our software is also going to work for video games. We don't handle the graphics and animations automatically for you, but we let you design a video game, anything from Call of Duty to Dragon Age, and then patent, copyright, and sell your idea to studios. So really, our software is for anyone who's ever thought, I have a cool idea for a game, but I don't really know what to do with it. If you've ever felt that way, go to Otrera.com and check out our Kickstarter, which will launch right after Comic-Con. Sign up for our mailing list for a free trial. Otrera.com.
Thank you, John. Just before we leave and everything, now, you said this is to help you design. This is not like Project Sparks that came out last week, is it?
No. So our software is a toolkit. It's sort of like what Final Draft is for screenplays. We are the same thing for games. We give you a studio that lets you put all of your content together, assemble, and design a game manual, essentially. The output is a PDF or a web page that you can share. So if you're interested in tabletop games or pen and paper RPGs, absolutely you should be interested in us, because the output is something that you can actually play and use. Now, if you're interested in designing computer games or video games, we will give you a blueprint for your game that you can then sell to a studio or a developer or a publisher to make money off of your idea after you patent or copyright it. So for anyone who's ever wanted to make any kind of game, we are really your ally. And we're on Kickstarter. We're trying to raise $90,000 for server costs and developer payment. Our goal is to reach several different stretch goals, to add new features. Our software is really for the Kickstarter community. Anyone who has an idea for a project, we're here to take away a lot of the pain and cost of that development. So definitely, if you're a Kickstarter fan, you should check us out. Otrera.com.
And before I go, one more question.
Yeah.
This is not a software where people think that you're going to get a cut out of it, is it?
No. That's another very important point. Thanks for asking that. We don't take a percentage of anything that people develop. We are not a for-hire contractor group. We don't take a cut of anything. Any game you make using our software, the data is yours. If you ever want to remove it from our system, you can. We don't sell your data like Facebook or Google or any of those companies. The only thing you would pay for once the retail version is out is for a subscription to the service. You can pay for a permanent account. You can do a per month account if you only want to use it for a little and pay only like 25 bucks. But we don't claim any ownership. We only make money for people using the service. Anything you make is yours to go and get rich off of it.
Okay, well, thank you, John.
Sure.
And I'm Roderick from Toy Master Video Magazine here at Comic-Con at the Jacob Javits Convention Center in New York City for 2014.
Thank you. Have a good show.